The Paelluxe Enamel Paella Pan, specifically the 15-inch version, is designed for cooking paella for around 8 people. It's made of steel with an enamel coating, which helps prevent rust and makes cleaning easier. This is a good thing because paella cooking can sometimes create messes. The pan's size is practical for family gatherings or small parties. It's also suitable for both indoor and outdoor cooking, primarily on propane and gas burners. The pan's weight is reasonable, not too heavy to handle, but sturdy enough for even cooking. The enamel coating also means you don't have to worry too much about food sticking. And cleaning requires minimal scrubbing. You can even use butter or oil without worrying about damaging the pan's surface. Detalles like the smooth enamel finish contribute to its cookability. Scenarios where this pan shines include backyard barbecues, family dinners, and casual get-togethers. The Paelluxe Enamel Paella Pan handles the heat well, distributing it evenly across the surface. This even heat distribution is important for paella, as you want all the rice to cook properly. Needs for a large, durable pan are met with this product. It's not just for paella. You can also use it for other dishes that require a wide, shallow skillet. The pan's design allows for good ventilation, which is essential when cooking rice-based dishes. The 15-inch size offers a decent cooking area, fitting well on standard stovetop burners. In general, the Paelluxe Enamel Paella Pan is a good option for those wanting to cook paella without the hassle of rust or difficult cleaning. The pan's 15-inch measurement is good for specified servings. This is a fairly basic cooking pan that works as expected. The smooth enamel surface does what it says it will, which is to make cleaning a less difficult task. Because of its no rust coating, this should allow for long-lasting use. Its basic design makes it easy for many levels of home chefs to create meals. When considering cookability and ease of cleanup, the Paelluxe Enamel Paella Pan does well. Pros: solid quality, easy to clean, fits a lot of food, great size, well made, rice doesn't stick. Good quality, large pan, right size for 4 sealed surface. Cons: too big for single burner, shipping damage risk, flimsy box packaging, replacement delays. Chip on the rim, exposed metal on handles, rust concern, oven fit issue, large size hard to store, burner size matters. Features: enameled steel, no rust design, easy to clean, propane safe, gas burner safe, indoor cooking, outdoor cooking. 15-inch size, 8 servings, paella pan. This 15-inch Paelluxe pan is made of steel with a special coating to prevent rust, making it easy to clean. You can use it both inside and outside on propane or gas burners. It's designed to cook paella for about 8 people. The Paelluxe 15-inch paella pan is praised for its ample size, easy cleaning, and non-stick surface, making it suitable for cooking large meals for gatherings. However, some customers reported issues with shipping damage due to flimsy packaging, and concerns about potential rust from exposed metal on the handles. The large size, while great for big meals, presents storage challenges and may not fit on all stovetop burners or in standard ovens.